Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous 1971 Pontiac GTO 455 HO 4-speed, finished in Aztec gold. This car is gorgeous. Sitting on the honeycombs, wrapped in Firestone wide ovals. This car was previously owned by Jensen, renowned Pontiac rebuilder. Man, what a gorgeous car. First time I've seen one in Aztec gold with a saddle interior. And it is beautiful. Right down to the T3s. Look at that. So nice. Man, signature grille. They built 476 of these. Very rare. M22 rock crusher. Numbers matching drivetrain. AM radio, it's actually out right now. Buckets, console, rear defrost. Beautiful inside and out. Got some good docs with this car too. Just found the original build sheet. That is real deal right here. Cool. Then we have this original document. It's just a copy. It shows all the options and stuff. PHS. Just a copy. We have the original PHS documents. And an original window sticker. Shows all the options here too. Soft glass. Rally gauges. Rear defroster. Pretty cool. As it was. I really see these around. Beautiful saddle interior. Gorgeous paint. Hard pressed to find another one like this. $85,541 miles. Man, what a pretty car. Love that turn dash too. M22 with a Hurst shifter. Jeez. I'll fire it up real quick. Real quick. Oh. I just hand tightened the battery. That's why it sounded like that. Beautiful dash. Gorgeous headliner. Beautiful back seat. Seat belts all the way around. Really nice sail panels. Undercarriage is just as nice as the top. This trim tag in place. Really legible too. Man, what a car. Even the right shielding too on the exhaust manifolds. The cadmium on that booster, that's very correct too. Cool car. All the tower clamps too are very correct. GM hoses. Points and condenser. No electronic ignition or any of that crap. Beautiful padding under the hood. And a showpiece. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. I took about 200 photos today of this car. You can check them out on the website. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.